The rain has begun again. With a vengeance, it would appear. An amazing vengeance. It's a hard rain. Doesn't have the wind of yesterday, but it's much harder, this rain. There's even been lightning and thunder. I don't know if I will luck out and be able to photograph that. But it's been very, very rainy and thundery. You can see the rain bouncing off the roof of our neighbor's house. The internet is still not working. Quite a rain. Wonder when you'll be able to see these films I'm making. Sure, the ocean is wild, but I don't know what's happening. Whoa! I think there's a little lightning. You might have saw that. How's that? Northern California. Thunder and lightning. It's a hard rain. A very hard rain. Let's go to the other side here. It's thunderous. There it goes. It seems to be easing off a little. It's dark inside here again. It's very dark. I think I'll call the end of this case.